So my story, very simple. After a long time of neglect, my teeth were in a very bad way, so I decided to do something about it. And I wanted full upper and lower bridges because it's just less trouble in the long run. So I did a little bit of research, and NURIDENT Clinic, the basal implants, direct implants, seemed by far the best solution for my situation. Mostly because it seemed to take less time and involve less procedures than other kinds of implants. I'm not a very patient person, so I wanted it done as quickly as possible. So after contacting the clinic, after a few very simple emails back and forth, I arranged to come to Bulgaria, to Sofia, and pretty much everything went smoothly. There was no problems. The procedure I was really worried about because I had to have all my remaining teeth removed, which I wasn't looking forward to, but it was surprisingly easy. There was very little pain, some minor discomfort, but by the next day that was mostly gone. And then after the first treatment, I had to wait 3 months. I was given temporary bridges, and then after a 3-month period, I came back and I had the final implants and the final set bridges placed. I think it took about maybe less than 2 or 3 hours for the total time. The whole thing again, the second time, was very smooth, no problems, no pain, very simple. The staff were really good. I was told exactly what was going to happen, how it would happen. I was always made sure I wasn't in any discomfort or any pain. The staff were perfect, no complaints at all. So generally a very, very positive experience, and for me personally it was worth every penny I paid. I'm very, very happy.